Okay guys, this is lesson 5.7. We're doing decimal division, but we're writing zeros in the dividend. So remember, this is the divisor, the dividend, and then our answer is the quotient. So remember the first step, if we have a decimal in the divisor, we need to get it out of there. So what we're going to do is we're going to times this one by 10, or we're just going to move it to the right. We just want it right here to the edge, right next to this division symbol, to get it out of our divisor. But if we do it here, we have to do it here. Okay? So this is just a number 4 though, there's no decimal. Well, any whole number, the decimal is right next to it, right here on the right. So we're going to move that one time, put the decimal here. If we do that, we need to add a 0. So step number 1, move the decimal out of the divisor, and if we move it once here, we move it once here. If we moved it twice here, we move it twice here. If we moved it 3 times here, 3 times here. It doesn't matter where the decimal ends in the dividend, we just bring it straight up. Okay, so for next time, I'm just going to bring that decimal straight up. Okay, so now we're going to start dividing. So we have 40 divided by 25 now. So if 25 goes into 40 one time, we multiply, subtract, and there's nothing to bring down. So we have a remainder of 15. But when we do decimals, we don't have a remainder. Okay, that's not how it works. We can't put an R and a remainder out here. We need to finish the problem. We need to keep creating the decimal. So what we do is we just add a 0. Remember, if you add a 0 to the right of a decimal place, it doesn't change the value of the number at all. It just makes it, just means that it's cut up into more pieces. So let's put a 0 out here. And now we can bring down. So we divided, we multiplied, we subtract. Now we bring down. So now we go back to the top, divide, 25 into 150 is 6, multiply, subtract, and now there's nothing to bring down, there's no remainder, so our answer is 1 6/10. Here is your extra credit problem, 1 8/10 divided by 12.